Hello and welcome to the cryptocurrency news channel. Cardano is racing towards 50 cents, pumped to 48 today. Now it's back at 47, but it's racing towards 50 cents after the testnet Mary hard fork. The mainnet one will actually be the 22nd. But I think the real pump is yet to come because you can see this is the interest in Cardano over time on Google searches. You can see that there was some interest in last June or July or something, and then interest kind of waned. But since the new year, essentially, it's gone up. It's been up. It came down a little bit, and then it went. Now, like the incomplete partial data is going up again, which means that interest is still growing in Cardano as these updates actually come into view. Now, generally, a lot of the times the prices and the pumps actually mirror the Google trends, unless it's something like Wall Street Bets that's actually pumping the coin up. For like Dogecoin and XRP, that's probably completely the case, like the Satoshi Street Bets, and it's actually been confirmed on Telegram. I actually don't think Cardano is being pumped on Telegram. I know I did that video once, but it doesn't seem like that pump actually came through. It just seems like a bunch of random people spamming certain ADA things on Telegram, but I don't think anyone actually bought any coins because of that. So I think the increased interest in Cardano is actually because of Mary Gogan and all the stuff that's actually coming up. Cardano never really had that 2x, 3x pump that occurred within a day. It's been like slow rise, so I don't think it's one of the Satoshi Street Bet pumps. Like Dogecoin suddenly increased 8x in a day. XRP increased 2.5x in a day before crashing. I don't really think Cardano's due for a crash because it's been slowly going up in increments, corresponding to big events that's actually coming up in the ADA timeline. So I think people are very much aware that Gogan's probably going to happen in early March. Mary hard fork, which is part of Gogan, is going to happen at the end of April. People are going to be able to make their own native assets, which are better than Ethereum tokens because those are non-native assets. People are aware of these, and I think the marketing is actually going to start. Remember, Charles Hoskinson said he was going to go on Joe Rogan as soon as Gogan actually comes out. Not really sure when that's actually going to be. It looks like early March. But anyways, the Google trends really look very, very nice for Cardano right now. And, the price has actually been following accordingly. So I believe definitely that, we still have the major pump to go, and these small increments of price are just a setup for that major pump. Now, how high can that major pump actually be? I think it's going to be well over $1 when it does happen. I don't really know if it's going to happen this month or next month or something, but when it happens, it'll definitely be well over $1, maybe even to $2 or $3. Because if you really think about the multiplier right now, Cardano is at about 47 cents. $1 would only be slightly more than 2x. 150 would be like 3x. Well, 140 would be like 3x. Then $2 would only be like 4.5x. So that's actually possible in the future. Don't think $2 will happen this month, but definitely during a major pump. $3 plus is a definite possibility. And as the interest in Cardano is shown going up on Google Trends, I do think, and because the interest isn't caused by something like Satoshi Street Bets, I do think it's much more of a sustainable pump. And I still think it can go much, much higher, and it won't dump immediately. It might only hold for a little while, but it won't actually dump immediately, as there is actual news that's actually causing the pump, and not just a pump and dump group pumping the coin up. So I think this shows that Cardano's major pump is yet to come, despite the great gains it's gotten so far. So I think that if you've been holding Cardano like me for a while, you've got a great asset on your hands, and there's still a lot more gains to come. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think, like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you, and have a nice day.